Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Classic Foundation. This is an exclusive video for the aspirants of HSA 2021. In this video, we shall discuss HSA English syllabus for the year 2021. And from the next video onwards, we shall discuss our subject and its portions in detail. So, for those who are attending English HSA 2021, please subscribe our channel and also enable the all option nearby the subscription button in order to get our notification at the right time. So friends, out of 100 mark exam, there will be two parts. The first part is the general one common for all, and the second part is the core subject or the main subject. From the first part, the marks will be for 20, and part A will have 3 modules. The first module is Renaissance and Freedom Movement. The second module is General Knowledge and Current Affairs. And the third module is Methodology of Teaching the subject. And when comes to the second B part or the core subject, it will have about 8 modules. It will include poetry, then drama is there, prose and fiction is there, literary criticism or literary terms are there, linguistic phonetics and history of language is there, modern English usage is there, basic grammar is there, and also teaching of English. These are the different modules comes for the part B. And when we discuss in detail, the poems include, you can see it in the screen. I am not going to tell it in detail. The part B, module 1, poetry includes Shakespeare's Sonnet 121, Donne's poetry, a valediction forbidding morning is there. Then the later portions, you can see it in the screen. And from drama also, about 10 or 12 works are there. Shakespeare's Macbeth is there, Sheridan's School for Scandal is there, Oscar Wilde's The Importance of Being Earnest is there. You can see it here. And in the same manner, from the prose and fiction also, about 12 works are there. It starts from Francis Bacon's Off Studies, Steele's The Trumpet Club is there. Then literary criticism also, about 9 different categories we have to study in detail. And while coming to linguistics also, about 12 portions, you can see it here. And from the modern English usage also, common things, but we have to study it in detail. It includes sentence correction, vocabulary, synonyms and antonyms, etc., etc. The topics, you can see it here. And from basic grammar also, the common things are there. Article, preposition, clauses, tenses, etc., etc. is there. And from the teaching of English also, certain portions we have to study it in detail. And in the teaching of English also, we have to study the different schools of thoughts, behaviorism, constructivism, cognitivism, etc., etc. So from the next video onwards, we will study the different modules in details. In this order only we will study. First of all, we will study all the poems, and the first poem, Shakespeare's Sonnet 121, that we will discuss first, and later moves to the second. So in order to get all the portions, please subscribe the channel and also enable the all option. I hope it's a wonderful treat for you. Thank you.